Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Welcome to another episode of our Quarantine Cantina. I'm flying solo here again, missing our video guru, Jim, staying home safe with his family. Go, Jim. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. One of the things that's come up that people had some questions about was how to wash all your fruits and vegetables and what to do to take care of them at your house. Great question. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First off, this is something that we should have been doing long ago, especially now, and then continuing on afterwards. So just make it a good habit. The first way to get started, wash your hands. Always wash your hands often. You know the rule, 20 seconds, happy birthday, we're slow with the cha-cha-cha again, whatever your system for doing that, go ahead and just do it. Then go ahead and all your countertops, cutting boards, any utensils you're going to be using, make sure everything's clean to get started. Once we've got that going, we're going to wash our vegetables up. The best way to wash your fruits and vegetables is just to use cold running water. So let's just go ahead and get started with some of these. So we've got like some zucchinis, you know, any apples. Give everything a nice little scrub off. If you've got some peels on there, if you've got some label stickers on there, just get those off. But just nice cold running water, and we're going to get those done. You know, any of these softer things that you know you're going to use, just get them all washed off. Okay? Once they're washed, you're going to want to go ahead and just get them dry with a paper towel. You know? Go ahead and paper towel and then just get rid of those. But everything should be dried with a paper towel and then you just throw it away, you know? And these are the soft skin things that are nice and delicate that we're going to take care of. So, you got some other stuff, you got some things that you maybe are a little hardier, like some carrots, some parsnips. We're going to get those. Anything that can stand a good scrub, even better. Give it a nice scrub. You got a good hearty brush. Give it that. How about your watermelon? You know, give that a nice scrub and wash. Beautiful, same thing. And you're saying, well, you know what? The bananas, I'm not going to eat the peel. That's okay, you're not going to eat the peel. But when you get ready to eat it, you're going to put it on the cutting board or you're going to be touching it with your hands. Again, go ahead and give those a wash too. And the same thing. Once they're washed, we just give them a little dry. And just get them all ready. And this way, everything is ready to eat and use and get it ready. All right. We've got some other stuff and you're like, okay, that takes care of those, but what about the leafy things? Okay, you've got some beautiful lettuces. Best way for those lettuces and your leafy things is you're not going to scrub them or anything, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to take them, get them in a nice, swish them around in a little colander or some water, give them a good swirl and swish. You know, get that. If you need to get them a second time, just go ahead and get them a second time, you know. The only things that you're not really going to need to wash, and this is according to the FDA and CDC guidelines, are the things that say that they've been washed. You know, your pre-washed items like your triple wash spinach or your hydro lettuces and things that have already been washed. And the reason behind this is that the guidelines for that are very stringent, so that you should be fine with that. So there's that. So we are all good. A couple other things. Go ahead and cut your fruits and vegetables up. Get them in the refrigerator within about 2 hours. That'll keep everything nice and safe. Also, according to the FDA and the CDC, no soaps, no detergents, the isopropyl alcohol. Don't use a bleach or bleach solutions. No sanitizing wipes. What else would you want to use on any of those commercial produce rinses? They recommend not using those. Basically, anything that you wouldn't ingest anyway, don't put on your food. I think that's about it. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, tell a friend. Let us know if there's anything else that you'd like to see or anything you have any questions about. But stay safe, healthy, happy, be kind to each other. And as always, thanks for watching.